To go through the season where we absolutely suck and all the dreams are delayed, because that's how you know if you truly want it. You don't know if you really want the dream. You don't know if you really want the goal. You don't know if you really want the life. You don't really know if you want the money. You don't really know if you want any of those things until you actually realize and you're actually able to go through that season of you suck. You're able to go through that season of delay. You're able to go through the season where you like the gratification is zero and you don't see any ceiling. Everything you try does not work. Like nothing that you try will work. And this is the truth behind becoming successful, because there will be a point in your life where you're trying to attain the success and everything that you are trying, out of all those things, nothing is working. And I've had this happen before where I was like, man, am I just unlucky? Is that it? And that's the number one thing that will keep you messed up, because you start to believe in the luck. You know what creates luck is constant repetition, constant acquisition of skill, great skills, and mastery of those skills. That is what creates luck. And it's crazy to say, but if you just literally keep on doing what you're doing, as long as you're doing the right thing, because you have to make sure that you're actually doing the right things. You have to make sure that within your process, everything is correct. But if you continue to do those things, then what will happen for you is the luck. You'll start to get really lucky. The things that I've been through, I would never want anyone to go through. Like some of the doubts that I've had, some of the just the dark nights, dark days, dark weeks, dark months that I've had just mentally. Just getting to where I am now it's been rough. But like I would do it again. I would do it again to get here. I would do it again to be where I am right now. I absolutely would. Like within a heartbeat. And that's what you have to understand, because once you like think about where you're going to be. Think about where you're going to be. And that's what always kept me motivated when I didn't have anything at all. When I didn't have anything, I always thought about, where am I going to be 5 years from now, 6 years from now, 10 years from now? That's what I used to think about. And I just got to work, and I kept working, and I kept working, and I kept working, and I kept working. That's it. So I think that when you understand that your delay is a really big reason for your success, if you allow it to be, if you allow the delayed gratification to, like, if you appreciate that process. Because honestly, many of the times now, like what I think about were times where I was struggling, and I think about times where I was just trying to figure it out, and I think about times where I didn't have it, and I think about times where I was like, man, I'm really going to appreciate these times when I make it to where I want to make it to. So if you're in that place right now where you're stressed out, you're worried, things are not working, understand that the fact that things are not working means that they're working. The fact that it's not working means that it is working for you. And understand this too, analyze why it's not working currently, and you will be able to fix it. If you can figure out why it's not currently working, then you will be able to fix it for the future. You absolutely will, but only if you're able to analyze it. If you cannot analyze this, then you'll never know. This is the problem too. Most people don't analyze anything outside of themselves. They analyze everything outside of themselves. You analyze everything external, when the reality is everything that is happening to you is because of you. So when you start to take responsibility for everything that's happening around you, then you start to become in complete control of your entire situation. You become in complete control of your entire situation, and that's what you want to be. I'm in complete control of my environment at all times. I'm in complete control of everything that's going on around me at all times. It may be that someone says something crazy, or someone does something they're not supposed to do, or there are so many situations that I come across, thousands on a daily basis, right? And maybe I'll sit on the situation. Maybe I know something, but I don't say anything about it. But I know. Why? Because I'm in control. I'm in control of everything around me at all times. Why? Because I'm in control of myself. Because I'm in control of my emotions. Because I know what makes me tick. I know what doesn't make me tick. I know everything about myself. And the more you know about yourself, the more you can sustain through those battles. And most people don't know themselves because you're too busy blaming everything else. You're too busy worrying about what other people are doing. You're too busy analyzing what someone else is doing instead of looking at yourself. And this is why your blessings are delayed. So when you start to say, let me be introspective, extremely introspective, and just put everything on myself and put the oxygen mask on myself, and let me attain my success, that is when you get it. That's when the delay stops. When you focus on the skills, that's when the delay stops. That's when you create luck. So I implore you to create luck, because that's what I was able to do. I created luck. Like I kid you not, like just the mentality and the mode that I'm in right now, this next 5 years, I'm gonna be up multiple nine figures by the time I'm 30. I'm gonna be at multiple nine figures by the time I'm 30. Hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars. If not having hit the B. But hundreds of millions of dollars liquid. Just based upon the trajectory and where I'm going right now, based upon the companies that I have, based upon certain investments that I've made, I'm gonna hit hundreds of millions of dollars. But why? Because I'm able to analyze myself. I'm able to analyze my skills and what I'm good at. And I got really good at those skills. And on top of that, I'm able to enter into anything and become a master at it just because of my mentality. Just because I'm not going to do anything second best. I'm not going to do anything third best. I'm not going to do anything fourth best. And if you want to be the best, you have to think like that. You shouldn't want to do anything if you're not going to be the best at it. You shouldn't want to do anything if you're not going to be the best at it. And that's what you must understand. I have done millions and millions of dollars worth of real estate deals. I'm only 25 years old. I've bought and sold millions of dollars worth of real estate. I own over 1,000 acres. And I mean, I've helped people make upwards of 7 figures within a year of starting an education company. These are things that most 25-year-olds are not doing. But why? Because I'm able to look into myself, and when I was going through those seasons of delay, I would tell myself, all right, man, well, you're going through this for a reason. So this is not happening to you, it's happening for you. Why is it happening? What can we learn from this situation? How do we get better? That's the questions I ask myself. You don't ask yourself, why is this happening to me? When you start asking yourself, why is this happening to me? How come I got to get up every day and this guy does that? Then what happens is it creates resentment in you. Resentment is an emotion of delay. Resentment is an emotion of pushing off what you want instead of focusing on yourself and pushing yourself forward to where you need to be. When you have faith in yourself, you don't have any reason to resent or envy anybody else, because you have faith in yourself and your ability to execute and thrive and win. You have to have faith in yourself, though, to do this. And I'm too busy having faith in my mission and myself to worry about what somebody else is doing. I'm way too busy. And you know that you're special when other people are worried about what you're doing. You worried about me, I'm not worried about you. And that's how you have to be. If you are the person watching this video and you want to get to whatever goal you want to get to, it's time to lock in and focus on yourself. If you're sitting here and you don't have $100,000 liquid, you need to start focusing on yourself. Most people don't have $100,000 liquid, and that is crazy to me because it's not that much money. So it's time to start focusing on yourself. It's time to start understanding that the season that you're in, the difficult season that you're in, is for a reason, and figure out why that reason is because you haven't gotten good enough at that skill yet. And we need to push through that, because once you get to the other side of that season, it's abundance. It's beautiful. Look, it's absolutely beautiful. Once you get to the other side of the season, once you get through that season, it's beautiful. It's peaceful. It's quiet. You're able to think more. You're able to think about how to grow the empire, how to build it. I'm speaking so much fire that there's lightning in the sky. You see what I'm saying? So build it. Understand that you can get through that season. You can break through that wall and you can reach the top. I'll see you at the top.